Hey, this is Heiko, and here's my Memfault Awesome Day project for December 2024. I was aiming at working with one of our customers' devices, Panic's Playdate, it's a gaming console, and learning some tech along the way that is relevant to our SDKs, namely Rust, embedded Rust, and some cross-platform development for Rust. And so what I ended up doing was no Rust at all and mainly web front-end development, because I realized that most of what I wanted to accomplish can be done on the shoulders of giants. So I figured, why not making a useful developer tool while brushing up my TypeScript and React skills and experimenting with modern browser APIs, such as screen capturing API and web serial, because it turns out that Playdate has a built-in serial command that can receive still images, and so yeah, I built something on top of it. All right, so here we go. Okay, so you can start capturing data as you would do it in a video conference setting, but instead of sending your pixels to another person over the internet, what you do is you stream your pixels to a Playdate via USB. So I have this set up, and I will switch camera angle in a second so you can see this for real. But for now, I want to show you one more thing that is easier to show in this setup. I have two documents, Figma documents open, showing the same content. And as you are making changes to one of them, the same content is reflected in this second window. And I'm sharing this one here while making edits to the other one, and you will see in a second why. So I'm sharing it. And what you see in Playdate AntiMirror is a preview, and then also how it would look like on the Playdate in 400 by 240 pixels, black and white only. So as you can see, when I'm scrolling around, everything that has color in the original is actually dithered, in this case down, and I can choose different quantization methods, nearest neighbor, different dither strategies, and I'm choosing an ordered dithering algorithm here. And so why am I doing this? Well, with this tool, I can actually say, focus a particular element, and then go to 100% zoom. I need to adjust the capture area slightly so that it perfectly represents the black and white content. I need to do this both for the X and Y axes. You can also use the tool to scale content, which is really interesting if you have like another game in a different screen resolution or a YouTube video. Okay, cool. And now why is that interesting? Because I can now use my other window here, zoom in and out, and make changes that are then reflected directly on the design in real time. And so that's really cool. It decouples screen capturing from editing without like destroying anything. Cool. So let me switch camera angles so you can see both the Playdate and my screen. So that's happening here. Here's the window you were just looking at. I'm moving it to this area of the screen. And then Figma, the graphics editor, I'm choosing here, which could really be anything. A Sprite, an animation tool such as like Premiere, or anything you wanna play with. And here I have this content on the right-hand side. I'm switching quickly over to my other window, selecting that element, scaling back, and now, you know, this one is focused as intended. Cool. So you need to unlock your Playdate. Boom. And then in the tool, you pick Connect to your Playdate. And I'm moving this content slightly. You see the pop over. You need to pick a USB device, which happens here. And once you do that, boom, you are streaming the content. And now you can see that I'm reaching roughly 10 frames per second. And you can make edits now. You can say, oh, I want this particular area to appear darker on the device, so I'm nudging it a little bit, or you change actual content to change it to Memfault Awesome Day, the hackathon I built this at. So my goal is to publish this tool. Right now it runs locally on my machine, but I think it's polished enough to send it out to the world. I found a couple of forum posts and blog posts where people ask for a tool like this. And the reason why it's called AntiMirror is for a reason. There is a tool officially made by Panic that does exactly the opposite. You have content on your Playdate, say a game, and you want to show that on a large screen or share it with people over Twitch or any streaming platform. This tool here, the AntiMirror, is exactly doing the opposite, where a game developer or a game designer can preview their results on the physical device. All right. Enjoy the rest of the year, and happy new 2025. See ya.